restless, rising fast and breaking through. Every feeling felt enormous, nothing knew what to do. I tried to name each sensation, tried to hold it, tried to steer. But emotions don't need answers, they just need space to be here. I stop asking them to leave, I let them move in their own time. As my emotions slowly settle, like the sand beneath the sea, I don't push, I don't resist, to let them soften in me. As my emotions slowly settle, I can finally feel the ground. In this quiet, gentle moment, I am safe, I am Every feeling has a rhythm, every tear a natural end. Even storms are just a moment, they don't need to be my friend. I breathe deeper than the tension, let my body lead the way. What was sharp begins to smooth out, what was loud begins to fade. Nothing here is asking pressure, nothing here demands control. As my emotions slowly settle, I discover something new. Underneath the noise and motion, there is space for something true. As my emotions slowly settle, I don't disappear inside, I expand into the silence, I let calm become my guide. Still water doesn't mean no depth, it means peace has learned to stay.